Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are making tasty fried rice. Now before we start cooking, I just like to say there are no specific recipes or ingredients to cook fried rice. It depends on you and what you like to have in your rice. The most important thing is having the basic knowledge of how to make fried rice tasty and yummy. For instance, these are recipes or ingredients I used to prepare fried rice before. Now keep watching as we cook today's fried rice. So as the name implies, fried rice, throughout this cooking process there would be consistent frying, so ensure you're cooking on low heat to avoid your food getting burnt. Personally, I prefer to use the red onions because it is tastier, so try red onions for your next fried rice or salad and you will see the difference as compared to the white onions. Please ensure you wash your rice thoroughly before you fry to avoid you having sticky rice, or soggy rice. If you do not have any stock to use, it's absolutely fine. Just add salt, seasoning cubes and water and you're good to go. You can also add ginger or garlic powder. It depends on how you would normally get your chicken steamed. So those ingredients are what actually just added to your rice. I also prefer to use turmeric powder just because of its healthier option, so feel free to use curry powder or fried rice spice for yours if that's what you would like to use. So it is better for you to keep on topping up your steaming rice with water than for you to actually fill it up with water and then you end up having soggy rice. So I would advise just keep adding water until you've steamed the rice 3/4 ways done or 75% done. So just put your spatula in between to see the level of the water if it is not dried, and if it's required you just add a little more.